Hey folks, this video is going to show you what to do when you paste a part in, or somehow you get a part in your model and it's way over here in the middle of nowhere. In some cases you can just grab it and just drag, what am I doing here? Undo. You can grab it and just drag it. See, it's hard to get it back home, but there's an easy way to fix this. What you're going to do is use the Align tool to align that missing rainbow with something that's in the middle of your project. So the spawn location in my project is close. So I'm going to first click on the rainbow and then click on the spawn location. The part that you clicked last when you are using the Align tool is the part that's going to stay stationary. So click the place you want to move things to last. And so open the Align tool, click the middle button, so you're going to align the center of these two parts. You're going to align it in the world frame of reference, and you're going to align it on all three, the X, Y, and Z axes. And you're going to align the second object, the rainbow, relative to the active object. So when I click Align here, watch the rainbow boop, pop right into view. That's it. It's that simple. I've got a couple other videos on the Align tool, which can be, and then after you get it where you want it, you can, just sort of position it to a nice place, maybe like right there. Hope this was helpful. Please subscribe so I can monetize my channel. Thanks.